Introducing the 2026 Nissan Frontier. This capable Frontier delivers impressive durability and a work ethic to match. Ready to tow, haul, or explore the trail, this rugged midsize pickup is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, midsize truck capability at an oversized value. That's the Frontier. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.